Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of black seed oil and its amazing benefits. This ancient remedy has been used for over 3,000 years, dating back to the times of ancient Egypt, where it was highly valued for its medicinal properties. Fast forward to today, and modern science is uncovering even more reasons to incorporate this powerful oil into our daily lives. So, let's get started with the top 10 benefits of black seed oil and unlock the power of this ancient remedy. First up, let's talk about the immune-boosting properties of black seed oil. Did you know that black seed oil contains thymoquinone, a powerful compound known for its immune-enhancing effects? It can help stimulate the production of immune cells, strengthen your immune system, and protect your body against harmful pathogens. Black seed oil is a fantastic remedy for digestive health. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe gastrointestinal discomfort and reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. Additionally, black seed oil has been shown to support a healthy gut microbiome, promoting proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Looking for a natural way to enhance your beauty routine? Black seed oil is here to rescue your skin and hair. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids that nourish the skin, improve elasticity, and promote a youthful glow. When applied to the scalp, black seed oil can strengthen hair follicles, prevent hair loss, and promote healthy, luscious locks. If you suffer from respiratory issues like allergies or asthma, black seed oil might be the solution you've been searching for. Scientific studies suggest that black seed oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce airway inflammation, ease breathing difficulties, and provide relief from common respiratory symptoms. It acts as a natural bronchodilator, helping to open up the airways and improve respiratory function. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, and black seed oil can be a potent ally in combating inflammation. The active compounds in black seed oil, such as thymoquinone and thymohydroquinone, have been shown to inhibit inflammatory pathways in the body. By reducing chronic inflammation, black seed oil may help alleviate pain, reduce swelling, and improve overall well-being. Your heart deserves some extra love, and black seed oil can provide just that. Studies have indicated that black seed oil may help improve heart health by lowering cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, and supporting overall cardiovascular function. The antioxidant properties of black seed oil also contribute to its heart protective effects. Taking care of your mental health is essential, and black seed oil may offer some surprising benefits in this area. Its active components, such as thymoquinone, have shown neuroprotective effects and the ability to support brain health. Black seed oil has been associated with improved mood, reduced anxiety, and enhanced cognitive function, helping you achieve optimal mental well-being. For those on a weight loss journey, black seed oil can be a valuable addition to your routine. Black seed oil has been found to have potential thermogenic properties, meaning it may help boost metabolism and promote fat burning. Additionally, its high fiber content can promote feelings of fullness and reduce calorie intake, supporting your weight management efforts. Dealing with joint discomfort? Black seed oil might be able to provide some relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the joints and muscles, alleviating pain and improving mobility. Regular use of black seed oil has been shown to have a positive impact on joint health, making it a natural remedy for those seeking comfort and flexibility. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about the antioxidant power of black seed oil. Antioxidants play a vital role in protecting our bodies from oxidative stress and the damage caused by free radicals. Black seed oil is rich in antioxidants like thymoquinone and carotenoids, which help neutralize harmful free radicals, reduce cellular damage, and promote overall well-being. There you have it, the top 10 amazing benefits of black seed oil. From immune support to digestive health, skin and hair care, respiratory wellness, anti-inflammatory effects, heart health, mental well-being, weight management, joint and muscle comfort, and its powerful antioxidant properties, black seed oil truly is a remarkable ancient remedy. Remember, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplement into your routine. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content on health and wellness. Welcome.